So what's up, guys? This is the what I'm looking at. If you know me well, I normally use the XY for my analysis. So I started on a 4 hour time frame. I normally um look at where the market's going to. As you can see, the market was going down, doing lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and no, not the lower low here, and lower high, lower low. Then it came. As you can see, I drew in a trend line. It broke out of the trend line. We tested on the trend line. If you know some strategies, you know what trend line breakout and retest mean. All right, you can make more research on that. It can show a reverse. It's a reverse pattern break and retest of a trend line. If you look at this well as well, it's a pattern. I think this should be falling wedge, I guess. Falling wedge or something. I can't remember the name of the pattern, but the idea is not to remember the name of the pattern all the time. The idea is for you to know when that pattern surfaces, what will happen in the market, all right? But then the markets have broken out and it's going up, all right? This is for our time frame. I drew my trend line. It's going up, as you can see. The market is trending up. And I come down to my 2 hours chart. As you can see, I could spot out a level here. So particularly, I took a trade here around here, all right, and the trade did something nice, all right. So here is how I entered the trade. If I come to my chart, I normally like back testing small, so I'll have a clear understanding where what I'm trading. I want to know what the market have done before, so I understand clearly the kind of trade I will enter. So here I entered this trade. This was September 11th. But this is the XY. Remember, I don't trade the XY. I trade the opposite on Euro USD. I will show you that trade as well. I'll show you that trade as well on Euro USD. Then as I dropped a trade on this one on Euro USD as well. But the market took us out. So you can see this was on during FOMEC. FOMEC. I dropped a signal from here. My anticipation was that markets will go from here to here, but it took our stop loss around here because there was FOMEC news. As you can see, it just took us out and still going up. Don't forget that news causes volatility to the market. It does not actually define the direction. It just causes volatility. It doesn't determine the direction of the market. It causes volatility. Then now, as you can see, it took our stop loss. Don't forget, I don't trade the XY. This is the XY. I only trade the inverse of the XY on Euro USD or on gold. So here is it as well. Market is so here is now a level. You understand? Here is now a level. I have to delete this my Fibonacci. This two is called Fibonacci two. Sorry, this two is called Fibonacci two. As you can see, this is a new level. All right, I'm waiting for when the market to start reversing. I did it here, but the market continues going upward. So I'm waiting for when the market seems as if it's reversing. Then I'll pull it in. And if I see something like this, come back to this 5061 level. I call that level golden level. Then I will have to take a trade here, and my stop loss will be here. And my TP will be here. All right, usually here or somewhere above. So that's how I do it. As you can see, the market is going up on the XY. The XY, I use it to rate all US dollar, all dollar pairs. Right. So here is it on Euro USD. Let's go to Euro USD. As you can see, this Euro USD. Can you see that Euro USD is exactly inverse of what is going on the XY? If you can see how it's going down, right? See that for making news here. As if you go to the XY as well, you see exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. So I just use it for you. I just use the XY for confirmations, right? I use it for confirmation. Let me confirm that the dollar is going up before I start shorting euro. If dollar is not going up, I will not short euro. All right. So that's it. So here as well, don't forget that I told you I normally take trades on euro USD, not on the XY. So that the first trade I took it here on Euro USD. I dropped it on my WhatsApp group, right? So here is it. I think I took the trade around here. I think so. I think I took the trade around here. Let me confirm. Let me confirm the levels I took the trade on from my MT4. Well, this trade has lasted for like how many days? I think that was that was I took the trade around 17 is it 173 1739. So I took the trade. Let me just repeat it here. Let me use this line and repeat the level I took the trade on. 17359. So yeah, I took the trade here and I had my stop loss. Uh just long short position. I took the trade around this level. I had my stop loss somewhere around up here. And my take profit around here. This is exactly the trade I took. Let me input the stop loss I use on this trade. Let me input the stop loss I used on this trade. And the take profit I used was 618. No difference. No more difference. So here is the trade I took, all right? Then if you come to the XY, you see exactly something similar happened same date. Here is it, but on the inverse. That's why I took the trade because I had a confirmation on the XY. Do you understand? I had a confirmation on the XY. So that's it. So I took the trade around. If you can see, I took the trade around. If you can see the dates down, there's normally dates down. If I go there, see the dates. If I go there, that should be 12th. Yeah, 12th, around 12th or so. Or so I think around 12th. Then check when I took the trade on Euro USD. Let's check when I took the trade. It will give you the same date. Can't you see it? 12th. 12th. Can't you see the date? 12th. I took the trade on 12th, man. I took the trade on 12th. And that's how I normally take my trades. All right. I normally take my trades around that time. And the take profit, it happened on 14th. See, it's 14th. Take profit. See, reach my around my take profit level at 14. That's like within 2 days. So this is the kind of trade I take nowadays. Then as well, let me just I don't know if I should delete this or just let me delete it so you get the kind of thing I mean that we are trading on now. So don't forget this was our entry level, but that has created a new lower low, right? So I guess as well then this is a lower high, then a lower low, right? So I put it in, took my entry around here. The market took me out of my trade, which is on my stop loss, and started going down because of Forex and as well this trend line. So that was it, and that's the market. You know, definitely not win all the time. So yeah, and I'm waiting. I'm now waiting for what the market will do next. All right, I'm waiting for what the market will do next. Then from here, maybe if the market start reversing, we might wait and take our entry. We might wait and take our entry when the market gets here and start bouncing back. But the market can still continue going down. I don't know. Let's see how that goes as well. All right. So that's it for Euro USD. That's what I'm expecting for Euro USD. I trade. I think my favorite pair at the moment is Euro USD. Why I said at the moment that sometimes the market might be slow for Euro USD and fast for that pair. So it may not be your favorite again. You can just definitely move to that and that one. But at the moment, Euro USD is my favorite pair. Do you understand? Yes. Euro USD is my favorite pair. Then as well on gold. Have I taken any trade so far on gold? I don't think I've taken any trade. These are some of the just testing I'm doing on gold. As well as you can see, the gold is as well doing inverse of what the XY is doing. But sometimes gold will be slow. When the XY is going up, gold should be going down. But sometimes gold will just be ranging throughout. Can't you see on the 12th here? Can't you see that the market was going down fast, but gold was just ranging up until 14th when that trade happened. It was just ranging. So sometimes gold will not do the inverse of what the XY is doing. It will just be ranging. Then Euro USD will be making the moves. But sometimes Euro USD will be the one ranging and gold will be making the move the XY inverse of what the XY is doing. So I just try to identify between gold and Euro USD which one is doing exactly inverse of what the XY is doing at the moment, and that's how I take my trades. That's how I take my. As you can see, exactly the same trade I'm expecting on go on Euro USD. Exactly, I can't see exactly that trade I'm expecting on Euro. It's what I'm expecting on gold. On gold. So if it happens on gold first, I'm taking the trade on gold. If it happens on Euro USD first, I'm taking the trade on Euro USD. Majorly, I've said this before, but majorly, if the trade is happening on Euro USD, most of the times, gold will just be ranging. But if it's happening on gold, Euro USD will be ranging within that period of time. So yeah, basically that's it. And I added some few currency pairs. Um, as you can see, I did a back test that I posted on my Instagram. If you go to my Instagram story, I'll leave the link down below. I did a back test on that. Just go to my what's it called again? There are those stories that like, the highlight on my Instagram. You see trading results. You see the one I did on AUD USD. So and it's basically same strategy as you can see. I did this yesterday before doing this video. All right. So I started from January 2023 one win as you can see win then win as well loss win loss. You can go in win. I think this one is loss, then win, loss, then win again. All right, and the market is just ranging. This is just the market. You can just go to my Instagram highlight and confirm this. In fact I wrote it down on a book so you confirm it by yourself. So and that's all. As well, I trade. I've not traded oil, but I've back tested the oil, and I know the moves can. I know I can catch some moves on oil. So I'm expecting the same thing. As you can see, the market broke out of this level, right? The market was going up, broke out of this particular level, and I'm targeting. Is as you can see, the market has even don't forget, I don't take trades on 2 hours time frame that I left my chart. I normally take this trade on only 1 hour time frame. I take a look at it generally on the 4 hours, then come to 1 hour and take the trade. Sometimes it might have to force me to go down to 30 minutes, but majorly it's on the 1 hour. As you can see, this thing it's retested on that 50-60 level of the Fibonacci, but I didn't take the trade because it didn't like I said, it didn't enter the level the way I wanted it to. It just closed closed in between the level and opened again and start going down. So I wanted something like this. I wanted something that is very clean, enter the level and start dropping. That might still happen, that may not happen. I don't know yet. Let's just see what the market will do. That's what I'm expecting on US oil. And I think that's all. No. This is just a testing. This is my first time of trading. This is silver. So I'm just basically doing a testing on silver. I'm doing a testing on silver. Let me see how to calculate the position size and how it works actually. So that's why I'm doing all this testing. And as well, this is a backtest I did as well on this oil silver. silver. Then yeah. So that's it, guys. That's it. If you're done watching this video, thank you so much for watching to the end, and I hope you learned something. You can just share, help me and share this video. All right. So that's it for this video. That's all, guys. Peace out.